fucking out. I don't know what. Like, keep going. Yeah, that's what I meant. It works. I uploaded a video yesterday. I was like, keep playing the game. I was talking about how things aren't moving right now for me, and it was like annoying. And I was like, just keep playing the game. And today I got a new fucking client. Like right after the fucking video, the client I've wanted for like a while. Like perfect. So it's just like testament to that you can just keep playing and then shit just kind of fucking happens. And it's probably not gonna be that quick when you're beginning, but keeps getting better as you kind of go on because the wins come easier, right? And I think one of the biggest ways to actually keep fucking it out is to kind of reframe the stories that you're telling yourself, because story is just a story. It's made up in your fucking head. There's objective reality. So this fucking phone, for example, this phone, this, my glasses, and I have stories around these objects in my life and these facts. And I think the biggest thing people do is they misconstrue the facts for their own stories and they think they're the same thing. And the best thing I found for that is just writing down the literal facts and then seeing the assumptions that you're making kind of come up for you, right? And that helps you with fucking it out, because then you get to choose what assumptions you do want to make, what stories you do want to tell. And there's three main stories to kind of watch out for, which is the victim story. So I am the victim here. And then there's the villain story. So they are a terrible person, they suck, blah, blah, blah. And then there's also the helpless. It's just like, I can't do anything in this situation. And these three things are generally not true. Okay, ciao.